Is there anything that you're doing right now that you'd love to talk about or promote that you feel really passionate about?
No, I'm done.
Wonderful. That was great.
Well, I was going to say cannabis, but today's kind of the right day to talk about
Exactly.
that. No, I've had the good fortune of getting involved with a lot of different business sectors, from restaurants to sports and farming and things probably the most defining thing for me is I love learning. So the opportunity to take on new businesses, not way outside my skill set, but inside the things that I like to do that touches up. And again, farming, I knew nothing about 20 years ago, and now I'm a farmer. And I'm very proud to be a farmer. And likewise, the cannabis world, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, I was somewhat skeptical. I really didn't believe it was a legitimate business. Did my homework. Wow. It's working.
Is that what you farm, or is that?
We should, but that day will come. We actually have land that suits hemp farming, but that comes down to the beauty of being involved with so many different businesses. You start to see collisions, start to see opportunities.
For sure.
One of the businesses that my son stumbled across, does business development for me, looks like it might be bleeding edge for the restaurant world. And he showed it to our restaurant. They're going, wow, how did you find this? So again, it's being active, proactive, and looking at new opportunities.